board.
All right.
Let's take a look at my favorite recipe. All right. This pumpkin pie recipe is from Betty Crocker.
Okay.
And it serves 8 pieces,
okay.
8 people. So
sure.
it's like a 9-inch pie.
Okay.
And this is the recipe. They don't have a rollout pan
okay.
crust. It's where you press it in.
Okay.
Makes it a little easier for those who don't know how to roll a pie crust.
So you can mix it in the pan, or do you have to mix it in
the bowl?
You
have to mix it in the bowl, and then you press it into the, with your hand.
Sure.
And then this is the filling. And if you look at this is actually what it looks like. It's
nice.
Very creamy and delicious.
Cool.
And then they also, because I like whipped cream,
yep.
give us the sweetened whipped cream, 3/4 cup of whipping cream and 2 tablespoons of sugar.
Now, is that also part of the recipe, or is that just in addition to?
It's in addition to, because some people don't like whipped cream, but I'm a whipped cream fanatic.
Sure.
I love it. And then here, where you look at this, you can see they sprinkle a little cinnamon or nutmeg on top, whatever your favorite is.
Sure.
So, but this is my favorite, and I know that you have a problem that you would like to do with this recipe.
I sure do.
All right, it's all yours.
All right, cool. So as Donna and I, or as she was explaining, this is the recipe for pumpkin pie, all right, or her favorite pumpkin pie. And down at the bottom of the sheet here, it has a link where you can actually go and download this recipe if you actually would like to try it and see how you like it yourselves, all right? So we have Donna. She wants to make a pumpkin pie for Thanksgiving, and she's going to have about 20 people come over for dinner. All right, and she knows that they all like pumpkin pie. And since she likes the Betty Crocker recipe, she has already made several pie shells and froze them. So she's done all of this stuff and made a whole bunch of pie crusts already. All right, she wants to know how many pies she's going to have to make if this thing serves 8. So now, if this was in our house, this would be like a 4 serving pie, because we'd cut it like that. But if we're going to go into 8s, we would cut across like this, so everybody gets kind of an even slice of the pie. All right. So now, if we're going to serve 20 people, how many pies do we have to actually make? We know that the pie makes, or pie will serve. Actually, pie is going to serve 8 people. All right, so if we have 8 servings in a pie, how many pies do we have to make it? Well, if we double this and we go by 2, that's going to give us 16 pieces of pie, which is still not enough to serve everyone that's going to come over to the Mineo household. So what if we go 8 times 3? Now we get 24 pieces of pie, and that gives us a couple extra in case someone wants an extra or someone's going to go home with a goodie bag. All right, seeing that we need to make 3 pies, all right, are going to be greater than the 20 people that are going to come over and visit. All right, so knowing that, we have the simple pie ingredients, and it continues down, what we're going to have to do for the math and what we're actually going to have to need for the recipe. All right, so we know that we're going to need 1 pie shell for each pie, and we're going to make 3 pies. So we know whatever we have here is going to be multiplied by 3. So 1 times 3, that means we're going to need 3 pie shells. And if we go back and look, we can say that Donna, she already made a whole bunch. She's probably got some ready for Christmas, because I know how Donna is in preparing. All right? So if we need 2 eggs per pie, and if we multiply this by 3, we're going to need 6 eggs. All right, so if you have a dozen, you got enough to make more than enough pies. If you don't have 6, you better go to the store. But you better wait, because you might have a list. Instead of making a whole bunch of trips, you just go once, get everything. So now a 1/2 cup, all right? If we multiply 1/2 cup, I can go 1/2 times 3/1. Because I know half, when I multiply fractions, I know that 3 is a whole number. And when I get this, I'm going to have 3 1/2 cups of sugar. All right? So, and I'm writing like that because we could go, it's 1 1/2 cups, which is the same thing, equals 1 1/2 cups of sugar. We'll put a C there so we know that we're talking cups of sugar. So we're going to need a 1/2 cup for each. We need a total of 1 1/2 cups of sugar. All right, so now we continue down in our recipe, times 3. We know that 3 times 1 is 3 teaspoons. So we're going to need 3, and we're going to use the abbreviation, teaspoons of cinnamon. All right, 3 teaspoons of cinnamon. We're down to a fraction again. So we're going to have, and look at this. Since we got half, even though we have teaspoons of salt and cups of sugar, we've already done the math. So we know that we're going to multiply by 3. It's 1/2 times 3 gives us 1 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt. All right. A half teaspoon again is multiplied by 3. And that's 1/2 times 3 over 1 again. We're going to put this over 1. And this is also 1 and 1/2. And we are teaspoons of ginger. We have 1/8. All right, so now we got to do a little bit different math. It's still a multiplication. We have 3 times 1 over 8. And we're going to go 3 over 1. When we multiply, we get 3/8 teaspoons. All right, so that means we're going to need 1/8 and 1/8 and 1/8, which will be 3/8 teaspoons. Now, when you look at your measuring implements, you're not going to have a 3/8 of a teaspoon, but you might have like an 1/8 or a 1/4, and you'll have to estimate maybe if it's a really small amount. 1 can of 15-ounce pumpkin, so we know it's going to be 1 times 3. We're going to have 3 cans. Now, depending on the size of the cans, you might have 15 times 3, which would be 15 ounces times 3, which will give us 15 times 3, 5 here, the 1 up there, 3, 1, 45 ounces of pumpkin, because you might buy a big one that would cover all 3 pies in 1 can. And 1 can are 12 ounce times 3, which gives us 3 cans, or 12 ounces times 3 gives us 36 ounces of evaporated milk. So now you can go through and look through your cupboard, make sure you got all your ingredients, go to the store if you need to, and then start making some pies. Hope that helps you guys out.